I am a big fan of buying a stock at an extreme discount. I have made plenty of videos on two other stocks that were at an extreme discount and have made already sizable moves up. This strategy that I'm going to show you is really nice on how to catch these monster oversold patterns and how they can make outrageous returns. All right, so let's get right into the video. The stock that I want to talk about is PRGO. Now, if you missed on my other videos that I made videos on, I made a video on SOC when it was way down in here and pumped over 50%. CCOI, same setup, and we already have caught the dead bottom on this one. But PRGO, in my opinion, has not moved yet and is at the beginning stages of a monster pump. Now, hear me out. So here's the first thing is first, we always want to make sure we draw our gaps. Is there a gap on this stock? And the answer is yes. And basically what that means is the indicators are going to lag and it's going to take time for price to come back up. But the one thing I will say, I have very rarely seen an EMA 5 cross below my lower KC line. And that just means that it is extremely oversold. This is a decent company. It is above $10. You can look at their, based on 5 analysts, got strong buys, holds. But according to my chart, the charts don't lie. The charts tell me the story of the stock. It tells me where potential entries are. And not everything will just keep continually going down. I know it seems like that way, but it won't happen. As you can see, this EMA 50 has also not been touched since back in August 5th. It is 3 months from now that we have not touched that EMA 50. I mean, we know all price will touch these EMAs. I'm not saying it's just going to go right back up there, but that's a 44% return. I am a big fan of taking conservative profit, especially on higher quality stocks. If I'm up 10%, take out a majority of your shares, put your stop loss break even, and see how much higher that can ride up. And that's how SOC, I was able to make monster return. You know, I caught it literally, no joke, down in here. This pumped up 62%, and it actually went even higher, that pre-market, when I said I'm getting out of all my shares. There's no doubt that PRGO can have the same thing. But here is the difference that this stock has. If you look at the weekly chart, you are actually heading an extreme bottom band too. And basically what this means is if you look at a weekly chart and you hit that bottom band, which are my settings that are extremely oversold, it just means longer term, this should have a sizable bounce. And it just means like it's just way too oversold, right? So that's just something I noticed here. And you're also forming a nice little daily bullish candle. I will be looking to get into this one on November 17th. I'll be looking for a nice sizable entry. As you can see, we had this beautiful dip down, came back up. We'll see if we can get a nice little dip, but there's no doubt PRGO is going to come at least to the EMA 5 and lower Keltner band. We haven't touched that EMA 5. I mean, I don't know. Can I count this one? That actually looks like it's not even touching, to be honest. But yeah, let's just say we're not going to count those. And we're just looking at these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 daily candles is extremely long. Granted, it has pretty much done nothing down here, and it just kind of went sideways. But this is the type of play that I like to put bigger money in. That way, and I'd like to accumulate into it. I don't think there is much room lower than this. I truly think that this could make, you know, a sizable balance, and I think it can go way above these EMAs. I think it can go hit this EMA 5, you know, in ATR 4 here. I need a little bit more room down because it's only giving you like a 5%. EMA 10 gives you like a 13%, and then 20 gives you a 25%. Now, I'm thinking longer term too. I think this could go up, you know, longer term. This stock was way back in the day. I mean, if you look way back, let's go to the month. You know, way back, it was over $173 back in the 2015, and it just kind of lost a lot of air. Obviously, long term on the monthly chart, EMA 200 is at the top, weekly chart, everything's in a downtrend. So we want to make sure we play this smart. Of course, we can get a downtrend into an uptrend. That can happen. That absolutely can happen. But it just seems like, why not play these dead cat bounces into these reversion of the means? You know, obviously, just looking at how this stock moves, you're not going to expect like a 20% move in maybe a day. It's just probably not going to happen. But I just want to give this on the table. If you missed my CCCO CCOI. I mean, this was a whole lot more volatile stock because you can look at each candle that's going down. It's moving a whole lot more, 9%, 10%, you know. And I mean, if you missed it, you got to know my rules, right? Joining the Discord, you missed this one. SOC is obviously going to be more volatile because it's a lower price stock. And every day, I mean, look at this. It moved down 28%. But PRGO, if you want some safer monies, park some bigger money into it. That way, the lesser percentages can add up even more. A 10% return on a way bigger size is going to be more than lesser size. So you can put bigger money into this, knowing that you're in good hands on this kind of stock. All right, so you can read on the news. Of course, everyone's going to make insanely bad news. Blah blah blah. I hear this all the time. I still trade it. It doesn't mean anything to me. I'm a technical trader and I make massive money based on people's fear. So PRGO, keep this one on your list. We'll see if this one comes down even a little bit more for me. I'll learn it in the Discord when I decide. But I've been killing it on these trend reversal type of plays. These are the type of plays I love doing. They might be smaller gains on some type of stocks, but I mean, if you want, like I said, they're definitely safer. If you want to get away from like some of the penny stocks, well, here you go. Here's another nice quality stock, guys. As always, guys, want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome. I would love to have you guys in. Definitely click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Hit how to subscribe and click this link, Big Cap Day Trade Alerts, and you'll get access to my day trades and swing trades with that link. You'll have the gold membership. You'll have access to everything in the Discord, educational stuff, alerts every day, and live streams every day. I teach everyone a very unique type of strategy. You will not find this strategy anywhere on the internet. This strategy is I call it the band strategy. I can trade momentum. For my day trade types, I can trade reversion to the mean, which is downtrends, and then I can trade uptrends on my daily time frame for swing trades. There's always something I can trade. It's just a matter of patience game. As you can see right here, this is a downtrend type of play, and we're going to look for a reversion to the mean, most likely to the 5 and the 10. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below YouTube comments what you think about this stock, and as always, get ready to make some money next week. I'm looking so forward to it. I think a lot of you guys are going to learn a lot with this strategy, and it's going to change your guys' lives. I love this. It is amazing. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and it's only $12. Peace out, guys.